to eat. Where is that at? Right there, a tiny bird. And there's two out there in the grass. That's a mama and papa bird, I guess. And this is the baby because it's small. Okay, guys, so it's ano na ba? It's a Tuesday, May brain fog. May 25, May 26, May 26 na ata. And I'm washing clothes. Ayan yung aking washer. Isasampa ko na siya sa dryer, o diba? And then, once a week na lang ata ako naglalabang lamig dito sa garage. Ayan, Ooh. And I'll show you the freezer. It's I think there's a leak or something because it's making ice on the side. See? Ayan, walang laman. Gatas at saka tuyo. At saka few meat at the bottom. At saka tinapay. Diba? Ayan guys, there's like snow in here. Ano pa yung gagawin ko dito? May sira kaya to? Or baka ayan, kaya siguro ganyan. Ayan, anyway. Isampa ko na to dito at ma-dry na. And Steve is trying to go somewhere. Saying, let's go somewhere. Okay, we just came in and it's eating my fruit. Hurry up! That's the, my peaches. Oh, there's two.
It was.
So, where are you guys going? Huh? Where? Everyone is right there. There's no go through there. There's no turn around. It's one way. Huh?
I think they're either siblings or mom.
Go tell them to go down, not go up. Go down. That's that way. That way. Yeah, because I got cherry tree over there. Go.
Can you search in Google to see?
Huh? See, they're going wrong way.
I'm gonna use them as a squirrel tail. Communication.
Stephanie. Crazy.
It's communication.
I'm not sure what that is, but okay.
They don't run, they hop. Ay, may bird meeting, So the other two moved. They're just too busy. They're a couple too, maybe. Well, because ayan guys, it's sunset pa lang. It's about 7:30 or almost 8 at night. And let's go see yung kinain ng mga kanding, yung mga usa na aking peach tree at saka pear tree at saka yung cherry tree ko. Ayun, mga walang awa. Ito, ay naku, kalbo talaga yung ano niya, na tapos ito yung peach, kawawa, nag-iisang peach tree. Yan yung kinain nila kanina. So, Peach red heaven. Dwarf. Mamunga na yan guys kapag ka hindi inatake ng deer. Next year hopefully may bunga na. And dito naman, ang lamig. Dito naman ay mukhang plums. Plums yan. Wala nang label eh. At saka ito, pear. Yung pear mukhang apple din. Maliit na tray pero madaming bunga. And here's a cherry. A small cherry tree. Ay, meron siyang bunga oh. Ayan oh. Ay! But we have bigger trees over there. Plums, yellow and purple plum. And cherry. Ayoko na pumunta doon. I'm cold. Ayan. Pasok na ako. Ay, let's see kung nandito pa yung yung manog. Sorry pa yun? O kinain na siguro ng mga bird. Wala na dito. Kinain na nila yan. Ayan.